everyone. Welcome back to CLIFFTIPS. Today, we have something special for you as we dive into the fascinating world of video editing with a comprehensive overview of Flexclip's features and interface. So grab your favorite snacks, hit that subscribe button, and let's jump right in. Alright, so first things first, let's talk about what Flexclip is. Flexclip is a revolutionary online video editing platform developed by Pearl Mountain Limited. It stands out for its perfect blend of user-friendly design and powerful features. The platform's intuitive interface caters to both experienced creators and newcomers, providing a seamless editing experience. Now, let's take a closer look at the interface. As you can see, it's clean, intuitive, and designed for a seamless editing experience. The dashboard is divided into three main sections: Media, Timeline, and Preview. The Media section is where you import all your clips and media files, the Timeline is where the magic happens, and the Preview section gives you a real-time glimpse of your masterpiece. Importing your media into Flexclip is a breeze, making the initial step of creating your masterpiece a seamless experience. Whether it's captivating videos, stunning images, or mood-setting music, Flexclip allows you to effortlessly upload these assets with just a few clicks. The platform's versatility extends to supporting a wide array of file formats, ensuring that, regardless of the source or format of your creative content, Flexclip provides a welcoming home for all your multimedia elements. So, whether you're working with the latest high-definition videos or unique audio compositions, Flexclip embraces it all, making your editing journey both flexible and enjoyable. Now, let's talk about the editing tools. Flexclip offers a wide range of features, from basic cuts and trims to more advanced options like transitions, animations, and text overlays. The drag-and-drop functionality makes it easy to arrange and customize your content, giving you full control over the creative process. For those moments when you need a bit of inspiration, Flexclip provides a plethora of professionally designed templates. Whether you're creating a vlog, promotional video, or social media content, these templates are a game changer, saving you time while ensuring a polished look. Once your masterpiece is ready, it's time to export. Flexclip allows you to export your videos in various resolutions, making it versatile for different platforms. Whether you're sharing on YouTube, Instagram, or your own website, Flexclip has got you covered. Now, let's talk about collaboration. Flexclip makes it easy to work with others on your projects. You can invite team members, share your projects in real time, and collectively bring your vision to life. It's perfect for collaborations or getting feedback from friends and colleagues. And there you have it, an in-depth overview of Flexclip's features and interface. Whether you're a content creator, business owner, or just someone who loves making videos, Flexclip is a fantastic tool to have in your arsenal. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next video.